Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn about how to load the image from the third-party URLs. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So third-party URL, you can say about any URL that which is live, right? So we are going to pick it up any URL from the Google. So images, so here you can see that we have a Google images. Okay, images, here you go with that. So any image we are going to make it like this pixabay, and let's open this URL, open image in a new tab. So here you can see that it's downloaded. Let's see more images, open image in a new tab. So I'm going to use that one. Okay, so here we go with this one, right? So let's add this. So here I'm going to add this code over there. Okay, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so here you can see it's not loading. Invalid RSC property and the host. Okay, so we have to add this into our configuration, that is next.config.js file. So I have already add this way, right? So images domains, I need to go with this one. So next config.js, here we have to go with this one, next config, and the domains are already added. So I'm going to add this domain to get this images loaded. Okay, and here you can see that the image is loaded, right? So this is how you can achieve like this from third party. This is how you can do it. Okay, so you have to just add the image and the domain, replace with your image host domain, right? And you will load that image, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.